Hey guys, it's Wakas from Python Labs. Today we are going to discuss about Python. So let's first see that what is Python. Python is a scripting language, scripting or a programming language that is used for many purposes, for many tasks. Since this language, Python, is a general purpose language, general purpose programming language, purpose programming language. Okay, so now let's see what amazing task can we accomplish with this language. Okay, so some amazing things we can do is cross-platform app development. Okay, and how can we do that? We can use a library, Kiwi. Okay, you can search for it. This is a pretty amazing library. Okay, now one more thing is you can create websites. You can create the secure websites, very secure websites. Okay, and this security is trusted by the big giants like Instagram also. So which framework do we use for that? We use Django. Okay, so these all are Python frameworks. Okay, now the next thing, okay, let's see. Can we develop games with Python? Yes, we can. We can create games by using a library named Pygame. Okay, we can use Pygame for that. And any other thing? Okay, so just write down in the comments that what you want to do, and I will suggest you that how can you do that. I will just provide you the solution for that. Okay, so basically, you can create anything. You can create literally anything with Python. Now let's dive into the history of Python. It was developed in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum here, this guy, who was the head of development till July 2018. An amazing fact, Python is named after a British comedy show, Monty Python Circus, of which Guido is still a massive fan. And you can see the photo here, and also you can find its videos on YouTube. Now let's see that why should we opt Python? There are too many languages in the market, but why Python? So the answer for this is the features that it provides. Okay, so the first feature is simple. Python is really simple, and the other name used for Python is beginner's language. So what makes it simple? The thing that makes it simple is its syntax. It's simple syntax. It's easy syntax. And the syntax, what is syntax? Syntax is the grammar of the programming languages. The grammar. You can say it the grammar or the format of the programming language. Okay. Now, so what makes the syntax or the grammar of this language too easy? The thing that makes it too easy is that it uses English like keywords. English like keywords. So let's see some examples. First, okay. So English like keywords example for and for logical and what we use the and which is used in English. Okay, and for or you can use normal or. Okay, and for just printing you can use print, not system dot out, not printf, or not any other thing. Just simple print and then the argument you want to print. Example print hello. Yes? Okay. So we will see a lot many of these English like simple keywords that makes our Python so simple to learn. Okay. So it's very simple or basically easy to learn. Okay. Now the next thing, let's move on to the next thing. Next thing is it is highly readable or easily readable. Okay. So easily readable. Why? Why? Because the code which is written in Python is too compact. Too compact. Okay. Too compact. So if the thing is too compact, too short, so it's obvious that we would be able to easily read that. Yes, so that's why it's easily readable. And because of these two features, this thing is possible, easy to maintain the code. If the code is easily uh, readable, and we can, so that's why we can easily find the errors, we can debug our code. Okay, that's why we can easily maintain our code. Now let's see the next one. The next one is your scalability. Okay, scalability, or we can say refactoring the code. Okay, now the next thing is portable. Portable means that this language is hardware hardware and software software independent. Okay, so that's an amazing feature to have. Okay, so one thing is you can run Python on Raspberry Pi, a small device like Raspberry Pi, on your mobiles anywhere. And it is also software dependent. That means your operating system independent. Okay, so you can run it on Linux, Windows, CentOS, any of the operating system. And what happens nowadays that is that you get Python pre-installed in most of the Linux distributions. Example, in your Kali and your Ubuntu, Debian, etc. Okay. Now the next thing is it is interpreted. It is interpreted. Okay, so one thing is that since this language is interpreted, so we can easily execute our code. It shortens the debugging cycles. This interpreting. Okay, now of and when we install this Python example, when we install this Python in our Windows, so we get a default IDE which has a shell. That's your interpreter. That your interpreter. Okay. Now, and another thing that we can say is it has a large community, a massive community. It is ranked in the top 10. Python's community is ranked in top 10 largest community active on internet. Okay. So, and another other things we can say that okay. So one thing is the heart and soul of Python is its third party packages, third party libraries. We can say libraries. Okay. So, and we have tons of these libraries. You can get them on PyPy. PyPy. That's your Python packaging index. Packaging index. Okay, packaging index. Okay, so that's it for the features.